Morning guys, what's up? The camera's steaming up. I'm very excited because today we are going to Volcano Bay. Getting through security was an absolute breeze from this private entrance just for Cabana Bay guests. Literally took 2 seconds and we're in the park. So if you stay in Cabana Bay, take full advantage of the side entrance. Here we are. Wow, it looks amazing. Absolutely amazing. So we've got our tattoo bands. Becca just needs to put hers on. Go grab a locker and then see if we can get a wait time for a ride. So we're now inside, we're on the beach. For some reason they've directed we're down here. We're still in extra park hours, so we're going to go try and find a locker. And the view is just absolutely stunning. Look at this. So obviously you've seen it from our bedroom, but this is like down from below on the beach. Looks absolutely stunning. Can't wait to get in that water. So I've swapped to the GoPro now. Got this awesome Volcano Bay water shirt. So I apologise if the sound's not the best. So we're just going to go look at a map and see what we want to do first and get a return time. Since we've got early park hours, everything is a ride now. So there's virtually no queue. So we're going to try and get on Krakatau, the water coaster. So it turns out they won't let us ride Krakatau aqua coaster with the GoPro. Now I have seen people say that you can, people say that you can't. I think they just change it all the time. So we're walking all the way back to the locker, put the GoPro away so we can go ride it. So we've just popped back to the locker to get some money to go get some breakfast. But I will say Krakatau aqua coaster is one of the best water slides I've ever been on. I can't even describe it. Every drop you get airtime. It's absolutely awesome. But I've just been told that you can't take a GoPro on any of the rides apart from the lazy river and the wave pool. So we're just going to go grab some breakfast and see what we can get. So we've just stopped for some food and we got 2, looks like scrambled egg, cheese and bacon croissants. We also got 2 drinks as well and it came to $19. And I think we're at, oh I can't remember the name, Kohola Reef or something like that. I'm not too sure. Buy a hat because Becca said my forehead's bright red, so this was like $22, this was $36, so I'm fully kitted out in like Volcano Bay gear. But if it's because I normally feel sick in the water park if I've been here for too long in the sun. Now we're just about to go in the wave pool. Oh, it's so cold in the wave pool. Oh. Oh, it's cold. Oh, I suppose once you're in, you're in. Oh. It's so cold. So cold. Becca just jumped straight in. This is an amazing view, isn't it? We're just standing by the clear tube here, and that's from the drop slide at the top of the volcano. So we're just waiting, but it's hard to stand still because of the waves. But any second we should see somebody coming down it. Yeah, I think someone's coming now. There we go. That's how fast you come down. So give me emotion. So we're just about to head into the Kopiko Y, I think that's pronounced slow lazy river. Then after that we're going to go into the rapid lazy river. This is the best lazy river I have been in Orlando, out of Blizzard Beach, in Typhoon Lagoon. We've never done it Quantica, but this is amazing. We'll be going in the rapid one later on, which we've already been in, but we had the GoPro away. But inside that volcano is absolutely amazing. This is the Honu Ika Moana raft slides. These are really hard to pronounce, by the way. I think that's the way I'm pronouncing it. But that looks like it's the wild side because you go almost vertical, and this looks like the mild side because there's no sort of vertical drop.
I see, abandon all your home. This new world is yours.
About to have a go at the Tapu Tapu, which shoots the water off down there. Everybody's getting wet. That's cool, isn't it? Everyone's trying to avoid it. Look at that guy. Heading into Tiawa, the Fearless River, and this is the rapid one. For me, I think we need to find a ring because there's no rings ready. But stunning, the architecture, awesome. Look at that view. There's the aqua coaster. That's the last drop, that's the biggest drop. Whoa! The waves come out of, look how like rough it is. Woo. So we've just stopped for some food. We've got some nachos to share. I don't know which is which. I think that's the chicken tacos. Then we've got steak tacos, so like everything's to share, and everything here came to $30. So it looks delicious as well. So we've just come to one of the bars outside, I can't remember the name, the names here are crazy to pronounce, but it's one that's shaped like a boat. We've just come for 2 watermelon cocktails, which look absolutely amazing. We've bought them in souvenir cups, but they've run out of souvenir cups. She said it would be cheaper, but she's still charged for the same price. So Becca's busy getting that sorted now. had earlier with the drinks, you charge for the souvenir drinks. We've got a free round of drinks on the house. So I've got a Volcano punch and Becca got a blue Hawaiian. And you get a flower in it, and I'm not too sure if it's an edible flower or not.
On the avenue of your heart, I broke down, we fell apart again. So give me emotion, give me a smile at least. Give me emotion, it's harder to stay than to leave. So have you had enough of me? It's not so bad.
So that does it for our first ever day at Volcano Bay. We have had the best day ever. We're going to head back to the room now because we've been in the park for about 7 hours. We've been in since 8 AM now. I think it's just after 2 o'clock. But this park is the best water park in Orlando that we've been to. I had to buy a Volcano Bay hat, as you've seen earlier, because it was just so hot. This water shirt's also very, very awesome. In that Krakatau aqua coaster is the best water ride I have ever been on. Becca's just trying to find a park map somewhere because she wants to frame it when we get home. But we're heading to the hotel room now because we're at Animal Kingdom later on, just to grab some food and see Pandora in the dark. Very hot. Becca's got the park map, so we'll see it in a little bit. Back through the private walkway to Cabana Bay. So here's the side gate, and then this is our hotel. So this is how close we are to Cabana Bay. It's awesome. Volcano Bay, as Becca's just corrected us.
11th floor.
Look at that view. Look at that view. Hello Volcano Bay, long time no see.
You're watching That Florida Guy. We hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on more daily vlogs, Florida planning and guide videos, plus vlogs from the theme parks. Follow That Florida Guy and That Florida Girl on Twitter and Instagram, and check out our t-shirt designs on Spreadshirt. And remember guys, stay tuned.